Hello students, I am going to talk about British English and American English in this video lecture. British English and American English has a long history. Let me talk about the history of British English and American English. It will help students understand why these two variety of English emerged as a major variety of English in the world. As a matter of fact, Britishers came to USA, United States of America, in the 16th and 17th century. Some of them settled there. They began to use their language, culture, civilization, manners there. In other words, British English was introduced in the USA in the 16th century. And since then, British English and American English formed major variety of English in the world. Another thing that we must keep in our mind is that the entire world from east to west and south to north were under the British Empire. Almost all the countries of the world were British colonies. India was also a British colony. All the rich and prosperous countries today, such as America, France, were also British colonies. They were under British Empire. Wherever there was British Empire, British English was imposed, and the citizens of that country, the inhabitants of that country, naturally began to use or speak British English. Thus, British English started not only in America but also in almost all the countries of the world, including India. However, there are many differences between British English and American English. Here, I would like to illustrate a very significant statement of Oscar Wilde, a great British playwright, a story writer, and writer, about the differences between British English and American English. Oscar Wilde once said, "There is much common between England and America, but the language." This statement of Oscar Wilde underlines the difference in England and America. However, they have different language. Though they belong to different continents, England belongs to Europe, while America belongs to North America. Now, I would like to illustrate some of the examples in order to make students understand British English and American English. British English differs from American English in many ways. British English differs from American English in grammar, a speech, words or vocabulary, etc. Now, let me illustrate some examples if we Englishes, British English and American English, we find that British English uses one word and American English uses another word in different in the same sense. Let me speak about a few examples. In British English, people speak garden. In American English, the people speak backyard. Similarly, in British English, people say lift. In American English, elevator. However, there are some important things about British English and American English. Though American English emerged out of British English, however, both the variety of English, or say both the Englishes, British English and American English, are enriching English language, English literature, English culture, civilization, computer, cell phone, etc. Dear students, I think you must have understood the differences between British English and American English. If you like my video, subscribe it, share it, like it. Thank you very much.